Hey everybody, it's Lillian. I hope that you are doing well. Today I have a different video. It's a little different, so if you're interested to see what I have in my bags, please stick around. Okay, so this is going to be a pretty quick video because I wanted to get on here and share with you what I picked up from Bath and Body Works. Many of you probably already know about the candle sale. It's like an annual candle sale, and so this year it changed a little bit. I know last year the candle sale was $8.95. Each candle was on sale for $8.95. This year they went to $9.50. So I need for Bath and Body Works to stop raising that price. But this year it is $9.50. But I still was able to get some great candles, some great scents. I'm going to share some of my favorites with you. Just share a little haul with you so you'll know what I was able to pick up. But what I was able to do, like I told you, I was able to get 16 candles. I got 16 candles, and in all, I spent $127.22. Let me tell you how I did that. So, as you can see, the title of this video is "Don't Throw Away Your Coupons." Don't ever get rid of your discount coupons until after the annual sale. Once the annual sale is over, sorry about that, I don't know what that is. Okay. Sorry about that. Once the annual sale is over, you can go ahead and delete your coupons or throw them away or whatever. Because one thing that Bath and Body, I almost said Best Buy, sorry. One thing that Bath and Body Works does is they will accept your expired coupons. They will accept the coupons that you have on top of the candle day sale. Okay, so each candle was already marked down $15, and then I got, because I still had an email, I had the 20% off. I was able to get $1.90 from there. So each candle for me was $7.60. So I was able to get 16 candles, and I'm going to share with you the candles that I got. I may go back tonight and pick a few up. I passed by Bath and Body Works this morning, and well, I passed by this afternoon and I saw that there was a line outside, so I said I'll wait till about 9 o'clock. I went this morning at about 7, and there was not a line, but it started getting, I think I went about 6:30 maybe, and by 7:45 when I was leaving, the line, they started having the line outside. So I said, well, I'll wait. And then I passed by probably about 5 o'clock, and it was still a line outside. So I said, I'll wait until almost closing time, because I did want to go back and get those aromatherapy candles. Those aromatherapy candles like the stress relief or relax, those kind of candles, I really love to put around my bathtub. So anyway, just to share some of the candles that I got, I did replenish because there are a few scents that I really love, and so I did replenish. But the ones that I got, let's start with the smaller bag. This is how, they'll put maybe 4 or 5, sometimes even more. I think they may have just put, yeah, they just put 4 in this bag. So in this bag, of course, there's paper. One thing that you may want to do when you are trying to check out rather quickly, to help them be able to just point the little gun and click, what you can do is you can take your candle and you can turn it like this. You can turn it upside down so that all they'll have to do is get that barcode. If you do that, your checkout time will be a lot quicker. Anyway, so here's some things that I got. Oh, that's the bag. Sorry, I was wondering what that was. Okay, so here's one candle that I got. This one is watermelon lemonade. I've never had it before. It almost matches my clothes. Never had it before, but I really love the scent. For maybe springtime or summertime, I really like that one. I also got another one that I picked up was mahogany teak wood, the high intensity one. My husband likes this one, so I just get this one. Usually I just get this one for him. He likes the scent. It smells like, to me, it smells like a cologne. I haven't figured out what cologne it is, but it smells like a cologne to me. But he likes it, so sometimes if he wants to burn this one, then that's totally fine. So I got that one mostly for him. Another one that I got for maybe the spring, summertime is the Cactus Blossom. Some of these, of course, are White Barn. Some of them are Bath and Body Works. All of them are $9.50, okay? $9.50, and that's not including your discounts or your coupons, okay? So make sure you hold on to those until it's time. Now, I'm not saying go back 6 months, but I'm just saying if you have one that you may have received last week or something like that, they will honor it, and so I appreciated that. But this one is Cactus Blossom, sorry. Okay. The last one in the bag is Champagne Toast. Champagne Toast, this was a scent that I had never really even seen before. And so when I tried Champagne Toast, I loved it. So this is a beautiful, beautiful springtime scent. One thing that you can do as another heads up, I guess, is if you purchase a whole lot of seasonal candles like Christmas smelling candles that would be nice for fall and things like that, but you didn't get a lot of your summer, spring, all of those, what you can do is you can exchange them later. You don't have to go back the day of and try to exchange it. You can wait and they will take it back. And you can exchange it at the price that you received it, at the price that you purchased it. So if you get it for $9.50 or you get it like I did for $7.60, they will allow for you to get a different type of candle for the price that you paid. Okay, so that's a good thing for you to remember if you wanted to try a different one as well. Here is, oh my gosh, here is the other bag. I don't know if they have these bags at other places, at other stores. I know the one that I go to, they did not have these big, nice bags. So what they do is they have this little tote that you can use. You can reuse. It's a reusable tote. And so for those of us that like to buy candles like this, they will give you these little crates as well. Let me put that down. They'll give you those little totes as well, and then these nice tote bags. And I thought that was a really nice touch because last year I kind of struggled a little bit with the bag that they gave me, and I would hate for any of my candles to go down through the bottom of a paper bag or something like that. So I really think that was a nice touch, and perhaps they're charging a little bit more for the candles because of ladies like me that will purchase more, several candles, and we need something to carry it with. So maybe this is kind of offsetting that cost. I don't know. Anyway, so I got, this is an Old Faithful for me, Marshmallow Fireside. And as you can see, some of these candles will have the regular outside, and some of them will not. My Marshmallow Fireside, my other one, it looks totally different than the one I got last year, but of course they are the same scent. They all smell the same. Sometimes they will change up the outside, and what I look for now is for a different packaging, because this is it's a familiar scent, but I love to have different packaging, and I think this will look really nice on my fireplace or something like that. So I think that the colors really will fit. This one is another one. This is the Black Cherry Merlot. I think I'm going to gift this one. I have several of these. I'm going to gift this one because I think it really smells good. It's not a real floral scent, and so it can be a good scent for, it's kind of unisex, a good scent for men, good scent for women. Okay. I'm going to be honest with this one. I got this candle because I loved the packaging. I love the packaging. This is Into the Night. It does smell good. But I just loved all of this. And so I thought that this one would be very, very, very nice to sit on my mantle as well. But This is another kind of unisex, very strong, forest-y type smell. That is Into the Woods. Now, that's Into the Night. I'm sorry. Now, this one smells different. There's a um, body splash, and there's a lotion as well. To me, when I picked up the body splash and smelled the body splash, or when I picked up the lotion and smelled the lotion, and then when I smelled this, it seemed like three different scents to me. So I don't know, maybe it was my nose at the time or what, but they smell different to me. I don't know. You all try them and you let me know. But I think this one smells very, very good, but it doesn't smell like the body splash and the lotion. So let me know what you think. Also, another one that I got, this one is called Vanilla Bean, the Vanilla Bean Noel. This is a very, very popular scent. A lot of people use this one around Christmas, but this one just happens, there we go. This one says peace on it, so I thought that was really, really nice. I said, well, let me get this one. As you can see, as I've already said, that I like to have a candle on my mantle, or I also burn candles in my dining room or in my living room. Not as much in my den area, but I like to have candles on the table in my dining room and just different areas. So I actually like how this looks for the Christmas holiday. Here's another one. I thought this one was really cute. I'm going to burn this closer to my kitchen area. This is Merry Cookie, and it does smell like a cookie. If I start burning it, my kids are going to come downstairs and say, oh, mommy's baking. Yeah, right. Okay, so this one smells really, 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 really good. It smells like a snickerdoodle type cookie or something like that, a sugar cookie. Here's another one that I got because of the outside, but it smells really good. This is called Sweater Weather. It's woodsy, very masculine. So I liked this one. I thought that my husband may like it, so I just decided to pick it up, and it doesn't look real girly or anything like that. So I don't mind being able to burn this even in our room or in the office area. All right. So let me put this down. Whew. Okay. Okay, one more tray and we are out of there. All right, so this one is the hot cocoa and cream. This one smells just like chocolate. If you like the chocolate smell, this smells just like chocolate. I'm telling you, it smells just like you are baking fudge brownies or something like that. It smells so, so good. And I hadn't really seen a different packaging for this one until I looked online. When I looked online, I saw several different packaging styles, but I just picked up the same one that I always had. I think this is my second year. This is my second year getting that one. This one is 'Tis the Season. I already have it in a different packaging from last year, but I like how this looks. All of these different candles that have the special packaging, I like to get them for this time of the year. I think they just add so much to your decor. And so 'Tis the Season is very, it almost smells like an acorn or cinnamon, and it smells really good. It smells really good for the season. Another one that I got that I thought was really, really fun. This is Elf Village. Elf Village it smells like peppermint and chocolate and all things nice. It smells really, really good. So I knew that my kids would probably like this one. Okay, this is Twisted Peppermint. If you like the peppermint scent, I like the peppermint scent even if I have it near the bathtub. I know I like the stress relief and the lavender and vanilla and the mint and the eucalyptus and all of those. But sometimes the peppermint just, you know, in your bathroom or wherever. This is amazing. It smells so good. Twisted peppermint. And as you can see here, it is it's a lot like that winter theme, like the little snowflakes and all of that. So I thought that it was really pretty. It's quite a bit different from what they had last year. So I like that, even though they may be selling the same scents every year, they still come out with a new packaging for your candles. This one is the fresh balsam, yes, fresh balsam. I liked this one. This was kind of foresty type smell. I like those. I'm not much of a floral type, always smelling like flowers and roses. I don't really like those scents. So when you have a clean, crisp, or a forest type smell rather than flowers, I like those. And that's what I got out of this one. This fresh balsam or balsam, I don't know, balsam I want to say. But yeah, I really like that one. All of these have eucalyptus oils. They're made with eucalyptus oils, and they say that you can burn them for 45 hours, which I don't know if you can burn them for 45 hours, but I know you can burn them for a long time. So, but also what I've also done is after I use the candles and I allow for all of the wax, you know, I use the candle up. What I will do is I will actually clean the case in the top, and I'll use it for like maybe my cotton swabs or my cotton pads that I use for my face when I clean my face. And so it's just very nice, and I won't have to buy the certain packaging. This last one is Midnight Blue Citrus. Midnight Blue Citrus. It smells so good. It smells so good. So if you don't get any of the other candles, the White Barn candles, try to get this one. You may really like it. Midnight Blue Citrus. And that's my last one. Thank you guys so much for watching. And that's my last one. As I said before, make sure that you, whenever you purchase your candles, have an email, have something with you, have a discount code or something, and you will be able to get something off. I know online I tried to use the I think it's Candle Craze or something is the discount code, and then I wanted to use my 20% off, and it would not let me do that. But if you go into the store and do it, it'll allow for you to do that. So make sure that you use all your coupons. Don't throw them away. Don't delete until after you've made your purchase. Anyway, I hope that you've enjoyed this little short haul, and I hope to see you in my next video. If we haven't been acquainted before, please make sure that you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe, and I hope to see you in another video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.